This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Lynden Holman. Proudly presenting Harrison Place Condo overlooking Homestead Golf Couse. Located in dead-end cul-de-sac, great flowing floor plan, spacious kitchen, center island, eating bar, plus breakfast nook, looking through to dining and living room featuring cozy gas frplc, soaring vaulted ceiling and access to patio. Main floor half bath, utlity closet and full-size washer/dryer, main floor master suite with attached master bath, walk-in shower and separate soaking tub plus walk-in closet. Upper level features bonus room, oversized landing perfect for home office or second living room. Second bed just steps away from main bath, tons of storage throughout. Centrally located close to restaurants, parks, walking trails, golf course, and just minutes to historic downtown Lynden. For more information, review the details below.